everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Daigaku Imo. It's candied or caramelized sweet potato. It's usually deep fried first and then candied, but I'm not deep frying it. So it's oil, time, and fuss saving. Much easier than conventional version. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. Sweet potato, it's about 300 grams. 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds. Let's cut the sweet potato. I'm using it with the skin on, so I washed it raw. Cut both ends off. And let's just make it into small bite-sized pieces. Put them all in the frying pan. Vegetable oil, sugar, soy sauce also into the frying pan. Turn the heat on and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. The heat is medium-low to low. It's induction heater here, and I'll be going back and forth between 3 and 4 out of 7. Once sugar is melted, you can leave it, but mix it once in a while. Looks good, and the toothpick can easily go through. Kill the heat and let's strain it to remove excess oil. Back into the frying pan and let's add the sesame seeds. And it's done! Very easy! Time for the tasting. いただ It's crunchy, chewy, almost fudgy on the outside, and it's so fluffy inside. And the candy with a hint of soy sauce is just so amazing. Delicious! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!